Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your YouTube's profile picture. It's pretty simple. After opening your YouTube channel, you can see your YouTube's profile picture at the top right corner. Click on your current YouTube profile picture and click on where it says your channel. Now once you're inside your channel, you can see the little pen icon right beside manage video. You want to click on that pen icon. Once you click on that pen icon, at the top you can see your current profile picture. Mine is UAB3. And on your current profile picture, you want to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to give you two options: take photo or choose from your photos. If you want to take a photo using your camera, click on take photo. If you want to select photo from your gallery, you want to click on choose from photos. So I will take a photo for YouTube. I will click on OK to allow access for the camera. And then I will just click a random photo and click on use photo. Once I click on use photo, this photo will be used. So I can choose which part I want and click on save. Once I click on save, my YouTube channel's profile picture will be changed. So it's not changing right now because it takes a bit of time, but after 5 or 6 minutes, it'll be changed. So that's how you guys can change your YouTube's profile picture. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.